Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a really great day. Today I'm going to be sharing the phase 2 of the Savannah refresh project. If you had an opportunity to check out my blog, then you would have seen the beginning phase of it, and I've also updated the pictures. That way you can see what the space currently looks like now. Kind of touching base on the video that I shared about a week or 2 weeks ago. The client wanted to do the initial setup, which is going to be all of the main pieces for the entryway and also her living room. What I'm going to be focusing on is the decor pieces. Now, I was given a specific budget and I pretty much shop around. When it comes to the finishing touching, like the artwork, florals, vase, and little trinkets, I truly believe in shopping around. It doesn't necessarily have to be high end, but I do have some clients that do specify that they want really great pieces, and then, you know, I make changes. Either way, regardless to whether I am going affordable or high end, what I do is I take that budget, I shop the decor pieces, and I bring everything in the day of install, and I allow the client to see everything, and then I stage everything. While things are being staged, I do leave the receipts and the tags on everything. That way, whatever the client wants, I then do a scan to give the final bill. So if I went a little over, which I really try my best when dealing with clients not to go over, but then if I owe them a credit back, then I will refund them back the balance. And again, if they have to pay a little bit extra, they normally do. With this client, there was no extra and there wasn't a credit. Everything that I selected, I actually stayed in budget. I was $1 under the budget, y'all, a whole $1. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see the planning of the space.
Yeah, the fabric is coming for the pillow.
I know, I got it.
Do you have it? Oh my gosh!
I know. Hold on, I put it somewhere special.
Okay. Everyone is like, I'm excited.
Let me get it.
Too.
But yeah, I definitely want to do that. I definitely want to do the fur one.
Okay.
Keep my doll back. All right. I definitely want to do this. Oh my gosh! I mean, look at this. I love it.
Okay.
I definitely want to do the fur one.
Okay.
I definitely love the blue.
Yes. Okay.
So how many colors do I need to pick out?
Well,
What do you want?
if you do this one, you just need 2, 4, and this one here.
Okay.
Phase 3, you guys, which I am so excited about. We're going to be painting the front door, and I'm going to be bringing in some custom pillows, which I am so excited about. When we originally started this project, she wanted to change out a few things here and there, but as we move forward in the project, she kind of opened up, and now it's pretty much a bit of a makeover. I am all about working in a client's time frame. I don't rush anyone. I would rather take my time and make sure it's right than to rush the process. You guys, just got done with my client. Well, I still have to order a few more things, and she's gonna get her door painted. A few of you guys had mentioned that even though this project was a refresh, it was a high-end conversion, if that makes any sense. So we went with a really nice credenza, really nice entryway. Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, Bobby. It had to be broken up into phases. So today, I was just doing the light decor stuff, and then I had submitted some fabrics for pillows to be made. So now we gotta do the pillow, and then we gotta paint the door. If you guys are interested in seeing the end result, I would say in about 30 more days, you could probably go to my website and see the picture. It's gonna be under the refresh. Right now, what I'm gonna do is insert some of the pictures so that way you guys can see the end result of how everything looks. I'm really happy with the space. She's super happy about it. Her husband loves it. Now for the fun part. I shared these images in the last video, sharing just what things look like once they got installed and everything were put in their place, and the client got to see and okay everything. Now I'm going to be showing you what the full decor console table looks like, and it is amazing. And you guys, I can't share exactly how much money we spent on the decor, but you would be taken back by how much was spent. It really wasn't a whole lot, and it came together so effortlessly. I brought in so many different tones and textures and colors, and of course I had to incorporate a little bit of pink for her, but I really, really love the overall look of the console in the entryway itself. I feel like it fit exactly what she was looking for. She wanted it to be feminine, but not too feminine where if her husband came home it would be too dainty. I feel like it was a really great mix to complement them as a couple in the space, and I absolutely love it. Moving on to the living room, of course, this is what you guys saw a couple weeks ago. Like I said, pretty much the coffee table was empty, everything was pretty much empty, and then what I did is I came in again and I put the decor again with the phase 2, and I really love everything. It's super simple, it's neat, it's really clean, and the client can change and move things around as she sees fit. She did move the 2 pieces in the middle and put it over on the console, so that is no longer there. But the plants, the books, everything just brought the entire look together. I really, really love it. This was a great look at what mixing high and low pieces looks like. And this is pretty much what I pride myself in doing. Everything does not have to be expensive, but it has to make sense for it to make dollars. If you guys are wondering, let me just tell y'all. Pelican Snowball. Listen, when I tell you this thing's so good, first of all, I did papaya, pineapple, and coconut with sweet condensed milk. You guys, it's like a virgin pina colada. If you know me, that's my drink. I order that everywhere I go. That sweet condensed milk. I'm trying to eat the top of it so that I can go back and give him a couple dollars so I can get some more juice of the sweet condensed milk, because that's my thing. If you're in Savannah, try it. If I remember, I'll put the name in the description box, y'all. It's called Pelican Snowballs. It's called Pelican's Snowball. It's called Pelican Snowball. I repeat it 3 times, y'all, because somebody be like, you talk too fast. I didn't understand what you said. Pelican Snowballs, okay? I had to come back on here to show you how this thing looks like new. Oh, Aiden. Oh my. Don't make a mess in the car, baby.
So here's the fridge, you guys. It's quite early. The guys are going to be here to change it out, so I'm showing it to you one more again so you could see it. I took all the waters and everything out, and you can see the door. Show you guys a little bit closer view. Pretty much the ice would fall into this chamber here. Do all of that, and then here's the other side of the door right there. And then of course the ice maker right there, and then the fridge. It just seems like super tight. I don't know if the camera is showing that. It just looks really tight. Even if I was to make dinner and I, you know, put a pot in the fridge or whatever, I would have to remove one of these shelves just to do that, to accommodate it. So I'm looking forward to see the other fridge.
No, take these right here. Push it back. Turn them all the way.
It's so pretty because I know it's going in. Yay! Here is the new fridge, you guys, and it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love everything about it. The first thing hopefully that you notice is the ice maker is out. So look at all that prime real estate, honey. Nothing but storage and space, which is what I needed. All right, and then you have the shelf here that comes out. Oh, it says platter pocket. Don't know when I'm gonna have a platter, but I love it. I love the drawers here, shelf. This one here rolls down and comes back up again. All right, I love it. It's just a gorgeous refrigerator. Everything about it. And then when you go down into the freezer, I have my freezer, I have the pizza door, and then right here is where the second ice maker would fall in here. And then it comes with a scooper, which is amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so nice, you guys. Look at the door. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then on this side here,